Hello everybody, today we're going to look at the second gondola that I weathered and loaded. Hope you enjoy the video. So with this gondola, I basically used the same process that I did on the Santa Fe gondola, using a little torch and a pointed pick. This one had a little bit softer plastic, so it was a little bit easier to get results. So the lesson learned is make sure you're very careful about how you melt your plastic, because each manufacturer's plastic has a different tolerance to heat from one manufacturer to another. So you see here that the bulges are a lot more pronounced than they were on the Santa Fe gondola. This one's load's going to be a little bit different. We've got different stuff in here. This one's going to be rusty, and I've got a bunch of small debris that's going to go in there as well. So this stuff needs to be painted. Everything that's white and silver is going to get. Everything that's white is going to silver, and everything that's silver is going to red. So we got a rusty load here. So I'm going to need a different tray for this. Now that I've started to create loads for gondolas, I save every little piece of plastic I just have all these plastic cups laying around. I just toss them in a cup. So take the cup, empty it out, put it in the bin with the items to be painted, and we have these fine detail pieces that make a complete scrap load. Here's what they look like after the painting, both rust and metal colored. So I placed every piece of plastic into the gondola with these screw-looking pieces at the very bottom, covered them up with the large metal pieces, and with each progressing layer toward the top, the pieces got smaller and smaller until the item was completely full. You see, I also weathered the car. It came out a little bit differently than the other one, but again, I'm still learning. So lastly, used my ballast process, the little alcohol to break surface tension because of the small pieces, and the glue water mix, and just poured it in there so that everything was adhered to itself. And then I dusted it up with little powders to come up with this look right here. So here's the final product in all different perspectives. So this was a real quick overview. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe, and I will look forward to talking to you on the next video. Have a great week.